Wow, this wrapper. Logged out a bit early today and made a little detour to a German bakery. Picked up some macaroons and a slice of cake. My daughter loves them, and little surprises make her light up. Back home, I made some paneer butter masala for her school event. They had a parent-teacher evening with home-cooked food shared by all families. Sometimes love is in food we pack quietly behind the scenes. Next day brought rain. After work, my husband picked me up and we headed out for some errands and a bit of spontaneous shopping. Oh yeah. Simple evenings like these feel grounding. When we got back, something special was waiting for me. Wow, this wrapper is so good too. Red color, I like it. Wow, what's this? Oh my god. Dyson! Huh?
Can turn it round.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Pink color! Oh my god! Mom. Oh my god! That's a big one! Oh my god! Oh my god! So pretty! Oh my god! There's one more wire! On our anniversary, I took the day off, used the Dyson, painted my nails and just gave myself a little care. Sometimes we forget how good it feels to slow down. Some days, even a quiet 10 minutes in front of the mirror can feel like a reset. This is a small ritual, a pause, a way of saying, I matter too. There's beauty in stillness, in taking time to care for yourself without guilt, without pressure.
Wow, so pretty.
Slow living is not about doing less, It's about doing things with presence, with peace. We ended the day with a quiet dinner at a restaurant. Nothing fancy, just warmth, food, and togetherness. Not every evening is perfect, but these slow 5 to 9s, they fill my heart. A little reminder to make space for life even after work.
Try it out. Try, hold it, hold it. Yeah. Dip it. No, it's for chicken out. Dip.